and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. Today I'll be unboxing the long-awaited deep conditioner from the Melanin Haircare brand. So if you'd like to see, just keep watching. So here's the box. I received it earlier this week and I've been waiting for it since June. I think I ordered it in early May and it was a pre-order and it finally arrived in October. So I'm very curious to see if what I've been waiting for is as good as it's supposed to be. First we're going to unbox this, and yes, I'm going to get to using this right away because I've wanted to use it since the summer. It was something I planned to use and try in the summer. So let's just get this open. So here's the box. Here's everything that's in the box. And we got some goodies for the long wait. So I will show you those also. So this is it. This is the Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner with hyaluronic acid, biotin, fenugreek, pumpkin, and bamboo. It's silkening and strengthening. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehydes, and no phthalates. So I'm interested in using this. I had ordered 2. I usually, if there is some anticipation from me that it will be sold out or I won't be able to get it again, I try to order more than one. So I did order 2 of them. I think it looks so pretty. I love the packaging. I love the color, the peachy color. I think it's really pretty. So I hope that it's just as good as it looks. Let's open it and smell it. Oh, it's really sealed. Okay. Well, I'm going to be using this very soon. So when I do start adding it to my hair, I'll let you know how it smells. It looks like it smells good though. In addition to the deep conditioners, we got sent a cute little Melanin Haircare lollipop. It's in the flavor cotton candy, as it says on the back. So that's a lollipop. And we also got a stretch satin head wrap from the Melanin brand. I think this is really pretty and it goes along with the colors of the deep conditioner. So I'm excited to use this. Can't have enough head wraps or head ties that are satin. So this is great. So far so good with these items. Nothing is leaking, nothing is messed up. The only problem was how long it took to be received. So right now I'm going to go and wash my hair so I can get this deep conditioner in. I'm back and my hair is washed and conditioned. And I'm ready to deep condition using the Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner. What it says on the bottle is, I hope you enjoy the instant hydration and sleep results achieved with our plumping deep conditioner with hyaluronic acid to help your hair attract and retain moisture and reduce frizz. The biotin, fenugreek, and bamboo work to strengthen and smooth the hair. With a powerhouse lineup of nourishing ingredients, it moisturizes, instantly plumping and clumping your curls, coils, and waves while helping to restore your hair's elasticity and detangle knots for smooth, manageable, shiny sleep results. How to use: a little goes a long way. Working in sections, use a nickel to quarter size amount depending on your hair texture and density. Gently smooth the product in, working in downward strokes from ends to roots. You may comb the product in to help distribute if desired. Leave in hair up to 30 minutes, then rinse out and style as usual. It's a bunch of ingredients in here. I will put them on the screen because it's a lot right here. So I'm going to let you see what the ingredients are. And we're going to get on with using this right now. My hair feels pretty nice already. I clarified with the Suave clarifying shampoo that I always use. I'll put a picture of it right here. Then I washed and conditioned with the Garnier Curl Nourish products. So let's open this. Alright, it's open. Let's smell it. The smell is reminding me of a lighter version of one of the Mielle Organics deep conditioners. I'll put a picture of it here. It's the Babasu and Mint or something. I'm smelling a light resemblance to that. Alright, so let's section here. My hair is damp. It doesn't say whether to use it in wet, dry, soaking wet hair. So my hair is not very wet, but I think This is okay because I'm gonna go under steam, and this feels like it's wet. Now, because of where the steamer goes, I usually clip the bottom of my hair up like this so it gets most of the steam. And then these two will be clipped like this. So now I'm going to get my steamer and I'll steam my hair, and I'll be back when it's time to wash it out, and we'll see how this deep condition worked. I'm back and my hair is steamed. It's still a little warm, so I'm just letting it cool down. So I'm going to take it out of these twists and then I'll wash it out. It feels really nice in my hair, but we'll see how it is when it is washed out. Yeah, it really reminds me of the Mayel deep conditioner scent. Just not as strong. So what I like to do if my hair is really knotty and the conditioner in the shower is not working, I like to detangle it with a deep conditioner in it. And some deep conditioners, like this one, help the detangle process. Some of them do not, but this one seems to be doing a good job getting everything through. All right, my hair is cooled down, so I'm going to quickly wash this out, and I will be right back. Okay, so the deep conditioner is all washed out. I didn't really feel it. I just threw it in the towel. So let's take this towel off and see how it feels. So it feels okay for something that I use steam with. Maybe I would expect it to feel a little better, because usually steam is like my hair's best friend, but it feels okay. It doesn't feel bad. I just don't know if it feels as good as the other conditioner I was comparing it to because of the scent. So right now, I'm going to give this deep conditioner an okay. My hair wasn't very tangled to begin with. It wasn't in a bad place feeling wise. My hair looks good, looks shiny, but I don't think I notice a big difference like with some of the deep conditioners I use. I feel like my hair feels amazing. This one, my hair feels good. It feels okay. It just doesn't feel like a big difference. It felt good after my wash and condition also. My first impression of this deep conditioner is that it's okay. I suggest you try it out yourself if you want to see how it is. I have a lot left. I don't know if you can see. So I will be trying it again. And maybe the second time it'll be better. Sometimes when I use a product, the first time is not so great. Second time is better. And other times, the first time is great. And then after that, it's not so good. So we'll see how I feel if I use this again. Right now, I would say if you really want to try it, give it a try. If you already have a deep conditioner that's your favorite, in my opinion, this one would not be my favorite because I have other ones that I've used time and time again, and they always make my hair feel amazing. But I'm willing to give this another try. So now I'm going to go on to styling my hair, and that's the end of this review and first impression of the Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner that I waited months for. When I use it again, I will be sure to update you or film it so you can see if my thoughts have changed. So that's all. I hope to see you in the next video. If you would like to see more videos of me reviewing deep conditioners and even a video of my favorite deep conditioners, please let me know down below, and I would love to film that for you. Until next time, bye.